Hello everyone. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to reset all the registry to default. Fast and easy. First go to the link in the description and download this file. Follow the steps and install it. In my case I already install it. Next navigate to your desktop and create a text document, rename it whatever you want. Right-click on it and click Edit. Copy this lines from the descriptions and paste it. Then save the file. Rename the file by changing the .txt to .bat. Navigate to your File Explorer and go to Program Files x86. Go to Windows Resource Kits. Then Tools. Drag and drop the .bat file to this place. Open the CMD as administrator. Type CD and paste the path. Type dir. Then type the same name of the .bat file that you do. And hit enter. His will take 20 to 30 minutes. This will restore all the registry to default and fix issues. After they finish, restart your PC. Thanks for watching. If this helpful, please leave a like. Good luck.